Welcome! In front of me is a NOKIA 5.3 and today I will show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this phone. Now obviously for this process we will need a little pin like this one. It comes provided with the device in the box so you can get it from there. But you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. So let's pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the phone. There we go, as you can see where the pin is holding right now. Simply push it in, the tray will pop out, and from there you can just pull it out all the way, and you'll have space for one SD card right at the edge right here, and then two different SIM cards. Now I only will use one, but there we go, you could just place another one beside it. From there, insert it back into the device. Make sure that they don't jump out, they tend to do that. And that's it. It should automatically start working. Can already see SD card is detected. And there we go, there's the SIM card as well, based on the pin. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's the SIM card being unlocked. So that is how you would insert SIM and SD card into this device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.